Good afternoon, folks. It's Crazy Ira again from Firkins, Chrysler, Jeep, and Dodge in Bradenton. I just took in a gorgeous 2015 Ram 1500. This is the Bighorn package. This has the Hemi. 5.7 liter, 395 horsepower, 410 pounds-feet of torque. As you can see, it's got 20-inch chrome wheels. It's got four-wheel disc anti-lock brakes. It's got Ram running boards. It has a center console. It's seating for 5. It's got an 8.4 screen. This vehicle also has navigation. This also has Bluetooth for your cell phone. This car only has 8,406 miles on it. Folks, you got to see the inside of this. This is like nobody sat in the back. You even got the cubby holes in the floor. It's a 5-passenger. It's even got the AC vents in the back. This also has a tonneau cover, a folding one. As you can see, it's a 2-wheel drive. It has a trailer hitch. It's got dual exhaust. It's got the 4 and the 7-prong connectors to tow your boat. It's even got a backup camera. Folks, you're not going to believe this car. This is a one-owner. It's got a clean Carfax. And I'll tell you what, this is going to be a certified unit. This vehicle will not last. You got to call me. Ira Salem, 845-304-3914. You will only find this truck at Firkins.